Hey man, we are here, bro. I told y'all I got an early look for y'all, and they are here. Actually been here for a while now. I was like, man, when we gonna break these things out, show them to the Vintage Squad. But again, like I said, we are here today to show y'all another one of them classics. Y'all seen how them Black Toe 14s move. Y'all seen how they went. I ain't saying that these gonna be on the same type of level, but I'm telling you, bro, people out there, OG sneakerheads, are going to get these. They're gonna cop these. They might double up, triple up, who knows? But I'm telling y'all, them classic colorways and classic releases that we all been waiting for, that we always wanted, have been doing numbers recently, which is crazy. But we gotta talk about it in today's video, man. Yo, what's going on, YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping in once again, bro. It is greatly appreciated. And I feel like, you know, a lot of y'all only want to see one or two sneakers. You guys know it's going to be a bunch of releases coming out within the next couple weeks, including, hold on, I got to grab them real quick, including a shock drop on these Air Jordan 3 Black Cements. It's coming soon. Trust me, it is happening very soon. Might happen this week. Might happen right after Labor Day, or Veterans Day. Labor Day or Veterans Day? I forget. Might happen after this holiday coming up, but I'm pretty sure Nike is going to hit us with that shock drop over these to clear the way, to clear the path for, of course, the biggest release of the year, in my opinion, the Air Jordan 11 Legend Blues. You guys already know I'm getting a pair of them. They want a little too much on right now, but definitely coming to the collection. Y'all know how I'm rocking, bro. If you guys are new here to the channel, right now I need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and make sure, if you don't do nothing else in today's video, leave a huge like. Everybody, hit that like button ASAP Rocky. And I know I dropped a video, what, maybe 2-3 days ago, or last week sometime, saying how I'm just, you know, selling some sneakers out of my collection. But instead of me doing like an entire video, just be on the lookout for my Instagram story, and I'm be posting shoes periodically throughout there. I have way too many shoes. You guys know the spiel. I'm not going to go on a crazy tangent, but I'm selling a lot of sneakers out of the collection that I have not been wearing, that I don't need anymore, that I'm tripled up, doubled up on. They got to go. So be on the lookout for my IG story. Probably not gonna be doing too many like dedicated videos for sneaker sales. Mainly gonna keep it on IG via IG story. Or I might throw them in one of the videos towards the end or the beginning. Who knows? But all that being said, like I said, hit that sub button, hit that like button. We're gonna jump right into this early look over some classics, man. All right, so since we have them right here, let's go ahead and show you guys real quick 360 of the box. This is what's gonna come like. Read that official colorway, Air Jordan 9 Retro. You guys know when I say retro, or when I say 9, you know it gotta be something that I had to grab. You know what I'm saying? I had to add to the collection, or just, you know, at least had to see them in person, because I might need a 9.5 in these, not too sure. But black, true red, and light olive, bro. They are finally here, bro. The long anticipated wait. And there's a couple other Air Jordan 9 releases that we have yet to get yet. We're going to talk about them a little bit later in the video. But for now, let's give these all the credit they are deserving of. Because again, just like these Black Toe 14s, I think these kind of, you know, they up there in terms of, you know, standout sneakers, especially for certain silhouettes, man. So 14s don't move like that. 9s don't move like that. When you come to certain colorways like these bad boys, people go crazy on it. And here we have them, bro. The Air Jordan 9 Olive. Now look at these things, bro. I gotta pull both of them out the box. I literally did not check these out. I said I'm gonna wait until the video, give you guys my full breakdown. And shouts out to the homie Jay, the sneaker guy. Y'all guys go hit him up over on Instagram. Everybody know who Jay is, but go tap in with him. He got a bunch of early stuff. He got stuff that already dropped, a bunch of steals and some deals. So make sure you guys go hit the homie up, JTSG Closet, and see what he got over there, man. But check them out, bro. Check them out. We have the Olive 9s. And I just had to, you know, check. I gotta look at them, bro. I gotta get a good feel on myself, bro. The quality is looking good. That nice nubuck suede where that olive hit at is crazy. And you guys know the infamous little globe on the back with the red jump, man. Like, come on, Nike, turn me up, bro. 2-3 on the back and that olive embroidered stitch, whatever you want to call it, 2-3. And just overall, bro, Nike did their thing, bro. Nike did their big one with these joints right here. I'm not going to hold y'all. It's only a certain or a handful of releases I've been actually excited for this year. Only a handful, and this is definitely on that list. This is on that list, most anticipated, one of the ones I had to have. You guys can let me know right now down below in the comment section if you're going to be snagging a pair of these olives. It is a must, bro. And just like I said, I keep mentioning the Black Toe 14s. You guys see how them things flew. I can't even get the word out. They flew. They sold out quickly. But I definitely think these might have the same type of momentum. Like, up until the release date, that's when everybody's going to be quiet. They're going to be quiet. They're going to be quiet all the way up until the release date. And the next thing you know, these things are going to move. I'm telling y'all right now, don't sleep. Do not be like me. Make sure you put your footwork, put your energy, do all your things, hit your resources up, your sources, your plugs in order to secure a pair of these. Because, man, I ain't never had a tour release where I took an L like the Black Toe 14s. It's been a minute since I took an L like that, where I didn't have nothing lined up and the pairs flew. And I've been doing, YouTube for a while. It's the first time in a while that I took a crazy L like I did on the Black Toe 14. But again, man, quick 360 of them, bro. Again, check out the nice nubuck suede on the olive hits on the back. 2-3 red Jumpman globe on the back, and that nice little pop of red on the Air Jordan tongue. And you also get another red hit down below right here where the Jumpman is at. But like I said, bro, nice executed Air Jordan olives. It's well overdue. I think last year or the year before last, we got the Olive 9 boot. I was going to grab them. That was on sale on DTLR for like 80 bucks or like 90 bucks, something like that. I said, I'm going to wait off on it. I'm not too big of a fan of the 9 boots because 9s look like boots anyways. And that's good that I waited because transition 2024, we got these Olive 9s. And the classics, bro. The ones that I always wanted. These Cool Grays, Kilroys, just to name a few. I feel like I'm missing a couple, but you just got to have them, bro. Space Jam 9s. There's a couple of ones you just got to have. Got to add to the collection. This is definitely one of the ones, bro. It's definitely one of the ones. You guys let me know how you feel about these joints down below in the comment section. I can't be the only one excited for them, bro. Cannot be the only one excited for them. I'm going to actually check the resale, or not the resale, the release date. I think it is next week. I don't know if it's before the Fears or after the Fears. But I'm going to go ahead and check the calendar on GOAT right now just to see when these things drop. So yes, November the 9th. Is that this weekend? These things drop this weekend, if I'm not mistaken. Is the 9th this weekend? Let me check real quick so I ain't tripping. Yes, the 9th is this weekend, and the week after that, we do have the Fear Force. So we have a lot of heat dropping, man. But again, let me know how you feeling about the Olive 9s. Don't sleep on them. Don't let this be another Black Toe 14 situation. I ain't trying to hype them up or nothing like that. But I'm telling y'all, bro, them OGs out there, they gonna get these, and no telling how limited these joints are globally, man. You just never know. So I'm steadily crossing off those gems on the list. You know what I'm saying? Black Cement 3s, Olive 9s, Fear 4s coming very, very soon. You know what I'm saying? There's a couple of ones I just got to add to the collection. So you guys let me know down below in the comment section how or what you're going to be grabbing the rest of the year. I know a couple of them highlighted sneakers like Legend Blues, Fear 4s, and stuff like that. But it'd be super interesting seeing you guys comment down below in the comment section, man. I love y'all. Make sure you hit that like button. Sub up if you have not subscribed already, and make sure you hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop. And with all this being said, man, your boy The Vintage. I'm gonna catch you guys in next video, man. Peace.